You are watching Endeavor TV and we have a Samsung N220 here, dissected, but I'm going to show you why it's so easy and what you can do inside. But first I can tell you that if you don't want to open up the whole thing, just change the RAM. You don't have to take out this many screws. Yeah, you are seeing, right? It's like a whole bunch, but it wasn't that hard. So if you just want to change the RAM, you only have to remove this little cover with this one screw right here, and then you can take out the Samsung 1GB RAM, which is DDR2 only, as you can read here. It's actually pretty easy. Just have to put it in like this and then push it to the bottom if you want to have it inside the case, and if you want to take it out, you just have to lift these metal brakes here to the side to get it out, and it should pop out automatically, and then you can just get it out. But let's take a peek inside. I already opened it up, as you were able to see. I removed all the screws which were everywhere around here. One you can't forget is this one. So after we take it off, you can see inside we have a 250GB hard drive. I don't know which model, but you can read on Endeavor. You can check that on endeavor.com. I will take it out later. We have a card reader here, which reads SD cards. The two speakers here on the bottom. Here could be a PCI Express slot, but there isn't anything soldered on here. But you can add anything you want, like a Broadcom chip maybe. This little plastic thing, we already saw that outside, doesn't have a function here, but it says P-RF, which is maybe port radio frequency, or I don't know yet what this is for, but maybe it's for the it's a switch for the SIM card reader, which should have its place here. You can see we have two holes and some place to solder. This is actually the wireless LAN card here and Bluetooth, and you can see the cables going here to the display with the antennas. Of course, our Intel Atom with the active fan here, and all the other ports I already showed you in the unboxing. So this is the Samsung N220 from inside for Endeavor TV. This was Balázs Gál, and check out endeavor.com and Endeavor TV on YouTube for more videos and informations about netbooks and the Samsung N220.